Oh, how about this? How about this?
I have done that.
I actually don't know much about this, but I think it's really cool.
TFG needs the Thunderbird model, I've heard.
Oh, does he?
I think it's upside down.
Why do you say that?
I've got an inkling.
Fair enough.
I've got an inkling that the people are looking.
What is it?
It's a big glossy box that's really playing havoc with the reflection.
Isn't it? It's a Schnellboot.
Schnellboot. Is it German?
It's a fast boat.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what it means.
In German.
Yeah. So these were used during World War II. And they used to shoot off like torpedoes. You'll be able to see the torpedo just living there, and they'll fire out here.
Did they use
and then
jerry cans?
Back, you've got mines. So you throw the mines out the back. Jerry cans? You know the story about jerry cans, don't you? I told you about that.
I do, but that's what, does it come with jerry cans?
I don't know. I can't see them.
And I want somebody to answer me why jerry cans are spelt with a J.
Well, it could be spelled with a G.
No, it's not.
It isn't in this case, but it could have been.
I'm just saying it's not. It's not spelt with a G.
I wanted to chop this open.
Well, go on then.
Have you got the dangerous knife?
Well, I put it clearly out of my own reach.
Did you?
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
This has been.
This has been multi-taped, hasn't it?
Well, to save you. If you there was. If you lose
could have been an incident.
If you lose an eyeball at episode at 200, I will laugh. Oh, look at the concentration on his face. The worst thing you can do is change blades. I'm telling you now.
What do you mean?
I'm going to bring in my wife's vegetable knife, and that's going to be our new box opening one.
What would happen if you gave this to your wife to chop the vegetables?
She'd love it.
Would she?
Yeah. Yeah.
She'll cause an injury.
Well, you know what I'm going to do with the new 9-step cutting mats, don't you? I've already told you.
That's going to be preparing dinner.
That's my new chicken board.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
What have you got? Talk us through it. Talk.
I'm just going G because it's massive.
Well, it's bloody 135th.
I could easily radio control that.
And then what?
This is all brand new mold.
Isn't it a submarine?
No.
Oh, all right.
It's a fast boat.
Fast boat.
It's a fast boat.
It's a Schnellboot.
Now, there's certain details here which I find quite fascinating.
Yes.
This is all brand new. Now, let's just go into the bits that have fascinated me. So it looks like it comes with a base as well. You just want to sit it on a table. But have a look at this. Where else I lost it? Look at these chains. That is amazing.
Are they pre-sagged?
Yes. No, they're not doing photo etch, right? So these are injection molded chains. And they've got sags in them. And then look at the texture on the fabric, which is, I don't know, I guess it's like a canvas type of thing that goes on the side of the boat.
Oh, like a taut liner.
Yeah. And then you can see these are the mines.
I like the mines. I don't just keep bashing them into something else.
Huge, these things.
Well, 135th, mate. Look at the bloody box. 135th scale.
Jeez.
Everything.
Jeez.
Everything is 35 times smaller than the real thing.
Amen.
But but if we put that in the back of the Hilux, now we're getting somewhere. No?
Sea mines on a land-based vehicle.
Yeah.
Have you gone places?
Well, it could be like the ship of the desert.
Oh, what's in here?
That's your dinner.
I'm ferreting into everything. Oh, what's that? Oh, photo etch. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I should have looked on the box.
You should have.
Look at all that.
You've over-zoomed.
Oh, have I?
You classic over-zoom. There we go.
Look at all that. Huge brass photo etch fret.
It's going to keep you busy.
We've got some flat, feels like acetate for the windows. Yeah, big decals. And you've got some rigging there as well.
Why do you have decals for the windows?
Some screws. Oh, not decals for the windows, the acetate.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It's thin, so it's thinner than injection molding.
Ah, so you use that to stick on the windows?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Because you can actually get a crew set for this separately. And they don't look as scaled if you use injection molded windows because they cause distortion.
Too thick.
Yeah. So you put these on, there's more scale thickness, and so you don't get distortion when you look from. So that's a nice touch. Wow, that's nice, isn't
That's
it?
sort of everything.
Haven't they? Wow, I like that. You like it?
Do you think you'll get it ready for next year's Model
I
Expo?
don't know, I'll give it a go. No! What are you talking about?
Your wife would crack it.
You're a troublemaker.
Your wife would crack it if you started building that.
I reckon. I reckon.
I'm going to buy you the biggest, most inappropriate model at all just to build. Maybe that
Give me one of those 48 scale submarines.
the NASA thing, the Saturn V.
Oh, no. Gee. No.
At least it's
That, of
vertical.
course.
Doesn't take up much space because it's vertical,
No,
right?
probably. I could turn it into like a lounge or
Armchair.
a light. That's massive. Well, that surprised me.
Well, it's 1/35th. What, you think it was just going to be a box full of nothing?
I don't know.
You've
know.
lost it.
Haven't I?
You've lost it, Paige.
Haven't I?